Have you understood this block diagram? So like this, you may have multiple applications. फक्त incremental, decremental counter किंवा on and off lights, any device means any application that is to be put on and off. You may not have only lamp. You may have another device also. You may have another device also. Okay. So visitor counter, what we can say, the model, automatic room light controller with visitor counter. That is explained with this particular block diagram. Automatic room light controller with visitor counter. Things are given when per मी आता तुम्हाला सांगितलं, I think need not require to read once again. Do you need? So every person entering into the room and leaving the room, the microcontroller reads the digital input from two receivers, calculates the number of the persons inside the room, and then displays on the LCD display. When person is counted greater than 1, the microcontroller turns on and the room lights will be on because of this automatic microcontroller turning on. Then when particularly the person count 0, it turns to light off. When person leaves the room, the person count reaches to 0. So lights get turned off or fans get turned off. So like this you can have. So this is for counter. Remote control system you may have. Suppose you want to control the remote control your TV and certain refrigerator, or you may have your other washing machine appliances. Instead of lamp, you will have that particular appliances, and you can have the on-off control. If you need display or counter, you can have. If you do not need, you may not. You may eliminate the display also if it is not required. Bola. So microcontroller applications, much more microcontroller applications are there. So this is output, like output port. This is also output port. This is output port. This is input port. So total, how many pins are there? Microcontroller 8051. You can count. You can see it is 40 pin IC. So these are clock 1, clock 2, RST, restart, alarm. So every pin and its function you can see. 8051 microcontroller तुम्ही बघितलं प्रत्येक पिनचं function, portचं function you will able to know, and multiple such applications are designed with microcontroller. Okay, people are doing projects with microcontroller. So also, I know, but instead of going ready-made, you go by study. First, design the circuit, design your aim, study the circuit, accordingly design your circuit and get assembled your circuit. That is important. Any more doubt you have? So we have finished our unit number 3. If you don't have any doubt, then it is very good. Yes, please. Transmitter and receiver. So transmitter section, that is a transmission of signal. Power supply हा तुमचा टायमर आहे आणि इन्फ्रारेड लीड्स म्हणजे पॉवर सप्लाय इट इज जस्ट टू रन युअर transmission section. Then this is a timer who decides the time for sending the signal forward. Then time particularly decide the time what particular duration it will be transmitted. This is the form of signal infrared. Then receiver section that receives the signal, the photo LEDs. Then this is the operational block. This is the operational block. Based on this operation, whether depends on the signal. Either signal may be in the form of either 1 or 0, म्हणजे high and low. So operational again, this is particularly the decision making logic device like microcontrollers. So if input is 0, accordingly operation it is decided. Whether to count, whether to increase the counter, whether to decrease the counter, or whether to give the signal to load on, or whether to give the signal load to off. So based on this infrared signal you are having, based on the signal sent by this particular input, you can have the signal available here. You may have either on, either off. Operations will be decided by this operational block. Okay. And then you can have operational block means this is what we have entire. इथे खाली कुठं हा दिलाय पूर्ण हा. ओके, पूर्ण हा म्हणजे कोणता, सगळं आलं याच्यामध्ये. दिस इज ऑपरेशनल ब्लॉक टोटल एक्सेप्ट दिस आउटपुट डिव्हाइसेस, रिलेज, लॅम्प, ऑल, हे सगळंच ऑपरेशन. दिस इज एंटायर ऑपरेशनल ब्लॉक हियर. सो इट विल डिसाइड द ऑपरेशन. इट विल से वेदर इट इज टू बी काउंटेड, म्हणजे हे ऍक्शन काउंट करायची की नाही काउंट. काउंट इन द सेन्स ऑफ म्हणजे नंबर इन्क्रीमेंट और डिक्रीमेंट. म्हणजे नंबर जर काउंट करायचा असेल तर इट विल इन्क्रीमेंटल. इफ यू वांट नॉट टू काउंट इट विल बी डिक्रीमेंटल. सो अँड यू मे हॅव द लोड ऍक्शन्स, वेदर load is to be connected, load is to be disconnected, load is to be partially connected, load is to be fully connected, load is to be partially disconnected, everything. किंवा फ्रॅक्शनल लोड कनेक्शन, 10 किलोवॅट लोड असेल आणि मला वेगवेगळ्या टाइमला आय वॉन्ट टू कनेक्ट 1 किलोवॅट फॉर दिस ड्युरेशन, 2 किलोवॅट फॉर दिस ड्युरेशन, 3 किलोवॅट फॉर दिस ड्युरेशन, 10 kilowatt for this. You can decide. Okay, accordingly you have input, you have the program, and your load will be on. Okay, like this. So transmitter and receiver, that is what the transmission of signal, receiving of signal, encoding of signal, and actual application. Any more? Very good. Your involvement is very important. Keep in mind. चुकीचं जरी असलं काही असू द्या, कारण तुम्ही जर जास्त इन्व्हॉल्व झालात तर मला जास्त त्याच्यावर बोलता येईल. अदरवाईज आपल्याकडे जे अवेलेबल आहे म्हणजे मला तुमच्याकडनं इनपुट नसेल तर माझ्या डोक्यात जेवढं लिमिटेड आहे तेवढंच मी बोलू शकतो ना, असं पण होतं. बोला. थर्ड युनिट ठेवायचे टेस्टला. युनिट टेस्ट 1 साठी युनिट तीन युनिट झालेले आहेत आपले आता दोन्ही विषयाचे. 3 युनिट ठेवायचे का? माझा प्रश्न आता अवघड आहे का फार?